Imagine teleporting for just 5 seconds to the surface of Triton, Neptune's largest and most hostile moon. 5 seconds. Barely enough to take a breath or process what you see. Would it be awe or terror? Triton is a world of extremes, captured from deep space and shrouded in frozen nitrogen. Out here, the sun is a distant star, offering almost no warmth. Triton orbits Neptune backward, a clue to its violent, captured past. Spending 5 seconds here is an intrusion into a world isolated for eons. So, let's start the clock 5 seconds on Triton. The cold would hit first, a cold beyond comprehension. Gravity is weak, the silence absolute, and the landscape alien. This is a world sculpted by ice, nitrogen, and mysterious internal heat. Triton is chillingly beautiful, yet perilous. Its surface is a patchwork of pink, white, and black with dark plumes from active geysers. This isn't a dead moon, it's alive in slow motion. Even a hypothetical 5 seconds here reveals the diversity and danger of the cosmos. It's a journey to the edge of what's possible. What sets Triton apart? Its orbit tells the story. Unlike most moons, Triton orbits Neptune backward, a cosmic clue it wasn't born there. Likely a captured dwarf planet, its arrival was violent, reshaping Neptune's system. Tidal forces from this capture generated internal heat, fueling Triton's ongoing geological activity. Its surface is a frozen canvas of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, at temperatures colder than any on Earth. The landscape is hard, brittle, and uniquely dimpled, like a cantaloupe. Voyager 2's flyby in 1989 revealed active cryovolcanoes, geysers of nitrogen gas and dust erupting from the southern pole. These plumes rise kilometers high, then drift sideways in the thin atmosphere. Triton proved that even in the coldest reaches of the solar system, worlds can be alive. Its captured, rebellious nature makes it a key to understanding our solar system's history. Triton is a dynamic, evolving world, one of the most fascinating objects we can study. Its story is written in ice and motion. Picture an astronaut stepping onto Triton's surface, the first sensation silence, so deep it's almost physical. Triton's atmosphere is 70,000 times thinner than Earth's. Sound barely exists. Only the astronaut's breath breaks the quiet. Gravity is just 8% of Earth's, making every movement floaty and dreamlike. The cold is relentless, minus 235 degrees Celsius, just above absolute zero. Materials behave strangely. Rubber shatters, metals crack. The suit's heaters struggle against the deep space chill. The ground is pinkish-white nitrogen ice, hard as rock. The bizarre cantaloupe terrain stretches to the horizon. Above, the sky is black, the sun a distant point, and Neptune a majestic crescent. Triton's beauty is stark, its danger immediate. Every step is a dance on the edge of survival. Triton's dark polar streaks reveal its most dramatic feature: cryovolcanism. Here, volcanoes erupt not with lava, but with slurries of nitrogen and methane. Faint sunlight warms subsurface pockets, building pressure until the crust bursts. Eruptions send invisible jets of nitrogen gas and dark dust kilometers high. Winds carry the plumes sideways, painting long streaks across the surface. These are geological fingerprints of an active world. Cryovolcanoes mean Triton still has internal energy, residual heat from its capture by Neptune. This heat keeps subsurface nitrogen slushy, fueling eruptions. Triton joins a select club of geologically active worlds. Each eruption offers a sample of the moon's hidden interior. These icy geysers are Triton's way of sharing its secrets. Beneath Triton's frozen crust may lie a vast hidden ocean. Tidal heating from Neptune's gravity could have melted interior ice, creating a subsurface sea. This ocean, likely rich in ammonia, could stay liquid at frigid temperatures. The implications are staggering. Where there's water, energy, and chemistry, life is possible. Hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor could provide heat and nutrients, just as on Earth. Triton's ocean could host a truly alien ecosystem thriving in darkness and pressure. The surface is deadly, but the interior might be habitable. Life here would be unlike anything on Earth, adapted to ammonia, cold, and darkness. Triton is a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Its frozen shell may hide a world of biological potential. Voyager 2's flyby left us with tantalizing mysteries. A future mission, orbiter or lander, could map Triton's surface and probe its depths. Ice-penetrating radar might reveal the hidden ocean. Imagine a lander drilling through rock-hard ice, analyzing each layer for clues to Triton's past. The ultimate goal reached the subsurface ocean, a robotic hydrobot could explore the alien sea searching for hydrothermal vents and signs of life. Discovering even simple organisms would revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe. Triton's secrets await beneath its frozen shell. The next mission could change everything. Now the thought experiment, an unprotected human on Triton. The 5-second countdown begins. First second, explosive decompression. Air rushes from your lungs, blood vessels rupture. Second, the cold, skin and eyes freeze instantly, tissues shatter. Third second, ebullition. Bodily fluids boil in the near vacuum, body swells grotesquely. Pain is brief, nerve endings freeze quickly, consciousness fades almost immediately from lack of oxygen and shock. The body becomes a frozen, swollen statue. In 5 seconds, death is certain, swift, brutal, and absolute. The corpse would remain, perfectly preserved for millennia. Triton is not just inhospitable, it's lethally indifferent. This is the reality of stepping outside our planetary cradle. Survival here is measured in fractions of a second. By the 4th second, the body is a cascade of failures, frozen, swollen, and dead. Oxygen deprivation causes unconsciousness almost instantly. Flash-frozen tissues and boiling fluids destroy cells and organs. The body radiates heat into the void, preserved by the cold. No decay, just a frozen relic, a warning to future explorers. The sequence is swift loss of consciousness, then catastrophic physical breakdown. Survival is impossible without technology. Every spacesuit, every bolt, every line of code is a victory over the universe's indifference. The 5-second experiment is a lesson in humility. We are fragile, and space is unforgiving. Yet this challenge drives our ingenuity and desire to explore. Triton is a symbol of cosmic contradiction, cold yet alive, a moon yet a captured planet. Its beauty is matched only by its danger. The secrets it holds could redefine our understanding of life and the universe. A second genesis of life on Triton would be the greatest discovery in science, but the risks are immense. Space is indifferent to our survival. Exploring Triton demands our best technology and deepest respect. Its story is our story, the drive to explore, to ask if we are alone. Triton beckons us, promising wonders and warning of peril. It is beautiful, mysterious, and indifferent, and that is why we must go. The cosmos challenges us, and Triton is the next frontier.